Dear students, today we will solve one example in chapter Operating Costing in subject Advanced Accounting and Auditing Paper 3 for class 2nd year BCom semester 4 Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. Here is the question. Ekta owns a fleet of taxis and the following information is available from the records by her. Number of taxis 10. Cost of each taxi rupees 20,000. Salary of manager rupees 600 per month. Salary of accountant rupees 500 per month. Salary of cleaner rupees 200 per month. Salary of mechanic rupees 400 per month. Garage rent rupees 600 per month. Insurance premium 5% per annum. Annual tax rupees 600 per taxi. Driver salary rupees 200 per month. Annual repairs rupees 1000 per taxi. Total life of taxi is about 2 lakh kilometers. A taxi runs in all 3000 kilometers in a month, of which 30% it runs empty. Petrol consumptions 1 liter for 10 kilometers at rupees 1.80 per liter. Oil and other sundries are rupees 5 per 100 kilometers. From these information we have to calculate the cost of running a taxi per kilometer. Let us understand the question first. Here we have information of Ekta, a fleet owner of 10 taxis. Number of taxis we have 10. Cost of each taxi is rupees 20,000. This information is useful for calculating depreciation per taxi. Salary of manager rupees 600 per month. Dear students, here we have to calculate a cost of running a taxi, means one taxi. So manager's salary 600 per month, it is for 10 taxis. We need per taxi per month, so it will be 600 divided by 10 taxi. Fixed charges. Same way, salary of accountant 500 per month for 10 taxis. We need per taxi, so 500 divided by 10 taxi, it will be 50 rupees per month per taxi. Because manager will manage all 10 taxis, accountant will keep accounts for all 10 taxis. Same way, cleaner salary 200 per month for 10 taxis. He will clean all 10 taxis. We need one taxi per month, so 200 divided by 10, it will be 20 rupees per month per taxi. Mechanic salary 400 per month for 10 taxi. We need per taxi, so it will be 400 divided by 10 taxi. Garage rent 600 per month. Garage rent is paid for all 10 taxis. We need per month garage rent per taxi, so it will be 600 divided by 10 taxi, that is 60 rupees. Insurance premium 5% per annum. Insurance premium will be calculated on cost of taxi. So 20,000 into 5% is equal to 1,000 per annum. So 1,000 divided by 12 months will get insurance premium per taxi per month. Annual tax rupees 600 per taxi. So per month per taxi it would be 600 divided by 12 months, 50 rupees. Driver salary rupees 200 per month. Driver will drive only one taxi, so it is directly given. Fixed charges. Annual repairs 1000 rupees per taxi. We need per taxi per month, so it will be 1000 divided by 12 months. Now total life of taxi is given 2 lakh kilometers. Dear students, in previous examples we were given life of vehicle in years. Here life of taxi is given in kilometers. So first of all we will calculate depreciation per kilometer, and it will be 20,000 rupees divided by 2 lakh kilometers. So per kilometer it will be 0.10 paise, that is 10 paisa. 20,000 is cost of taxi, 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh kilometers life of taxi, so it will be 0.10 per kilometer. A taxi runs in all 3000 kilometers, so 3000 divided by 0.10, it will be 300 rupees per month per taxi. Okay, petrol consumptions 1 liter 10 kilometers and cost of 1 liter 1.80. With this information we will calculate petrol cost. It will be 10 kilometer is equal to rupees 1.8, so 3000 kilometers will be question mark. So we will get petrol consumption cost per taxi per kilometer. Once again, 10 kilometer running require 1.80 petrol cost, so 3000 kilometers required question mark. Like this we will get petrol consumption cost. Same way, oil and other sundries rupees 5 per 100 kilometers. So 100 kilometers run require rupees 5, so 3000 kilometers run require question mark. It will be 150 rupees. Like this we can calculate standing charges or a fixed charges and running charges of a taxi per month. Now we will see the calculation of cost of running taxi per kilometer. Here is the basic calculation. Monthly kilometers run by taxi is 3000 kilometers, and monthly passenger kilometers run by taxi is monthly kilometers minus 30% empty. So 3000 kilometers minus 900 kilometers is equal to 2100 passenger kilometers. It means taxi runs for 2100 passenger kilometers per month, and simple kilometers 3000. Okay, now we will see a statement showing operating cost of taxi per month per passenger kilometer. First, fixed charges. We have manager's salary rupees 600 per month. Manager look after 10 taxis, so per taxi manager salary per month it will be 60 rupees. Then accountant salary rupees 500 per month. Accountant look after 10 taxis, so per taxi per month rupees 50. Cleaner salary 200 per month. He looks after 10 taxis, so per taxi per month it is 20 rupees. Mechanic salary 400 per month. He looks after 10 taxis, so per taxi per month rupees 40. Garage rent 600 per month, and garage will be used for 10 taxis, so per taxi per month it is 60 rupees. Insurance premium 20,000 cost of taxi into 5%, that is 1000 per annum per taxi divided by 12 months, so it will be 83.33 per taxi per month. Tax will be 600 per annum divided by 12 months, it will be rupees 50 per month per taxi. Driver salary readily available rupees 200 per month per taxi. Repairs 1000 per annum per taxi divided by 12 months, we will get 83.33 per month per taxi. And like this our total fixed cost amounts to 646.66. Total fixed charges divided by monthly running passenger kilometers 2100, so we get per passenger kilometer fixed charge 0.3079. Now we will see variable charges. Depreciation 20,000 is a cost of taxi, 2 lakh kilometers life, so first we will get depreciation per kilometer. I repeat, first we will get depreciation per kilometer, that is 20,000 cost of taxi divided by 2 lakh kilometers, it will be 0.10. Multiply monthly run 3000 kilometers. Dear students, here while multiplying we will take 3000 kilometers because during the month taxi runs for 3000 kilometers. So per month per taxi depreciation cost is 300 rupees, and 300 divided by 2100 amount to 0.1428 per passenger kilometer. Now petrol consumption, we have 3000 kilometers run and per liter 10 kilometers. So 10 kilometers petrol cost 1.80, 3000 kilometers is equal to question mark. I repeat, 10 kilometers petrol cost 1.80, 3000 kilometers question mark. It will amount to 540. 540 divided by monthly passenger kilometers 2100 amounts to 0.2571. Same way, oil and other sundries 100 kilometers cost 5 rupees, तो 3000 kilometers cost question mark. 100 kilometers cost rupees 500, 5, so 3000 kilometers cost question mark. It is rupees 150, and divide by 2100 will get 0.0714 per passenger kilometers. Like this we get 990 our variable charges, and per passenger kilometer it is 0.4713, and finally our total operating cost amounts to fixed charges plus variable charges 1637 per month per taxi, and per passenger kilometer amounts to 0.7792, that is 1637 divided by 2100, 0.7792. That's all. Dear students, first of all you understand the question and its solution, then try to solve this example independently, and further try practice one or two examples from your book or references available for university exams. Thank you very much for watching this video lecture. Very soon we will meet with another example in the same chapter.